Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be talking about a new company that I've decided to join, and it is new to the US. It used to be a just an international brand, but now starting, I believe in it was this year that it started here, and maybe a couple months ago Farmasi started here. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about this opportunity, and I wanted to talk about why I decided to go with this opportunity, and also I want to talk about their products, and I want to talk about what you get when you decide to become a beauty influencer. So there's a lot to talk about in a little bit of time, so let me go ahead and get started. All right, I hope everybody's having a good day today. So this is what a Farmasi catalog looks like, and it's amazing because this is going to be your makeup side, and then if you turn it over, you get your skincare side. So it's like really cool. So we're going to start with the makeup side. This is what it looks like when you get the catalog. Opening it up, and it's in either English or Spanish, which is really cool. And there's all kinds of products. I'm not going to go through every single page, but I just want to show you guys a couple highlights of the items. These eyeliners look amazing, like they're like sparkly and whatnot. And there's a lot of color selection that you can choose from. There's eyebrow products. There's, let's see what else we got here. There's like 5 or 6 different mascaras that you can choose from. Like there's the Zen mascara, and then there's this other, what was this one called? The Star Look mascara. And not only this, guys, but the prices are amazing for the products. The products are like really high end. If I had to compare them to like a high-end brand, I would say, like, so far trying them out, they remind me a lot of, like, some of the stuff reminds me of Lancome, which is amazing, but like less than half the price. So I'm blown away, you guys. I'm so blown away. Okay, so then there's also like 3D mascara, and then this one here, the Optimal Style. And there's eyeliners that you can, oh, I already showed you guys the eyeliners. There's an eyeshadow primer that you can get, and this is amazing. It keeps your eyeshadows on longer, and it also makes them so that they're a lot more like enhanced and everything, which is really cool. And not only that, guys, but I love cream eyeshadows. Farmasi has cream eyeshadows, and they're amazing. And there's a lot to pick from. There's like, let's see, there's 2, 4, 5, 6, there's 7 different shades that you can choose from. So that's really cool. There's also powder eyeshadows, and there's a wide selection of those that you can choose from. And there's also the kind of like roll-up eyeliner pencil that you can get. If you don't like the sharpening ones, you can try those. And there's also the liquid liner, gel liner. Oh, they have these really cool like glittery eyeliners that are really cool. And then if you just are like a simple black eyeliner girl, they have that as well. Like these simple eye liquid and the felt tip black liner and everything. Now lipsticks, there's a lot of lipsticks that you can choose from. There's the True Color lipstick, the matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and there's lip gloss. But anyways, the True Color lipsticks are here, and there's a lot of wide selection of colors. The matte lipsticks are there, and there's also a wide selection of colors. The what kind is in? Oh, there's an intense color lipstick as well, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 different shades in that one as well. And then the lip gloss is really great. Like there's 6 different shades that you can choose from, and it's a high shine gloss. So that's amazing. The liquid lipsticks, there's a lot to choose from as well. And then there's lip liners. And then, I'm trying to see, there's a lot of different foundations that you could also choose from. And there's the Stay Matte foundation. There's the powder foundation. It goes on powder. And then it's like a powder that goes on. I'll show you guys. And then there's the FX Pro foundation, camera ready. And I'm wearing that one today. I got a sample and I'm wearing it, but this is what it looks like. It's like Photoshop in a bottle. I'm not joking, y'all. It's really good. And then there's BB creams. And there's face perfecting powders. I can't even talk today. And there's the terracotta blush powder, which is amazing. It's like a really cool blush, but you could also use it for, like, you know, highlighting and whatnot. There's the terracotta porcelain powders. And then there's concealers, there's CC creams. There's a lot of different products that you can choose from. So that's all that they have on the side of makeup. On the side of skincare, they have amazing skincare, like an amazing skincare line where it's European, you guys. So I'm blown away by the quality. They have limited ingredients that they can use because there's so many in like Europe that they have banned, where the US only has like 11 banned. European countries have like over 100 bans, so they have to put really good ingredients in their skincare. And Dr. Tuna is the skincare line. He is the creator of the skincare line, and he put quality products, like quality ingredients into these products. If you're looking for a age advance like skincare line, the age reversal is amazing, and I'll show y'all a picture of this. There's an eye cream, a gel cleanser, a rich moisturizer, and a serum. And then, trying to see, if you guys have sensitive skin, like sensitive to dry skin, then the Candula line is going to be good for y'all. This one is amazing for sensitive skin. It has a cleanser, a toner, a face cream. And they also have like a gel cream that you can use. And there's a skincare line for everybody. There's the tea tree oil line if you have like oily skin and you know you need acne prevention and whatnot. There's face masks, there's aloe lotions if you're in the aloe gels and aloe masks, all kinds of neat stuff. If you have, this is also for all skin types, but it's a activated charcoal line. And they also have shampoo and hair masks. And I mean, this brand has just blown me away, you guys. And that's all I'm going to be saying about the brand. However, now I'm going to be talking a little bit about the opportunity. I have been praying about a good opportunity that, you know, I could do from home, that was a good compensation plan, that did not cost me a lot to get started, because I wasn't looking for a company that I had to put a lot into to get started. And for only $20, I was able to join Farmasi. You guys, I'm not lying, only $5, $20. Okay, and you get this kit, which is so cute. I mean, look how cute this box is. And this is for your $20 of joining. You get this box, you get catalogs. I believe I have about 5 catalogs here. This is one of them. Inside, what's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. This is this starter kit that you'll get. There's lipstick samples, and I have one of them on right now. I think I'm wearing one of the matte lipsticks right now. You get the CC cream samples, and you get them in one of each color. I have a light, I have light to medium, I have medium, and I have medium to dark. Like, There's 4 different ones. You get the FX foundations to try, and I wear O2. That's the one that that works best for my skin. But there are a whole bunch of different shades in this. There's 01, there's 00, 01, 02, 03. So there's a lot of different ones in that one. You get these really cool like relaxing massage gels that you can try. You get something talking about the brand here. You got the opportunity guide, and it has like information about it and everything. You get a skincare guide, which is really cool, and it talks about the skincare, matching people with the skincare and whatnot. Sorry about that. And you get these really cute bags. Look how cute these are. Like, this is so cute. Like, if you have someone that buys something and they want to get a bag. I'm trying to show you guys better what it looks like. But they're not really cooperating. They want to drop on me. All right, so I'm going to get this one and show you guys. Here we go. So there we go. All right, so that is all that you're getting for $20 to get started. And I am going to go ahead and link my website below, guys, and I'll go ahead and link my influencer number as well. So if you would like to jump on this opportunity and you know, see if God can bless you too and get your company success, you can join me today. And also, if you're interested in trying out the products, I will link my website below so you can go there and check out the products. And it's like high-end products for a drugstore price. I joke not, you guys. And the products blow me away. They're amazing. And I am just in love with them. And I hope that y'all will be just as much in love with the products as I am. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.